Hi guys, hope you guys are having a great day. So this is gonna be a different video on my channel. So this is not gonna be a chicken biryani like the last time I showed. This is gonna be a special mutton biryani. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please do subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about my new videos. So today is gonna be we're not gonna use too many spices. So we're gonna use less spices today. They're gonna get the flavor from the cardamom, cinnamon stick, and some herbs. So to get started, I got some cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, and clove. See, with the cardamom, you need to crush open the cardamom so it releases that flavor when you're cooking that biryani. And also, I've got ginger garlic paste. So garlic is less in comparison to the ginger because that creates that flavor, extra flavor, more ginger. And I've got some oil and lemon juice to balance off everything, and some ghee. And here I got some chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, and mint leaves. And of course, I've got some 10 kilos of mutton. So this is going to be going straight into the biryani. And I've got some salt to season as well. And today I'm using extra long rice of 7 kilos. So 7 kilos rice for 10 kilos of mutton. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys everything how it is done. We got a pot here. So today we are not going to use the firewood. So today we are going to use the gas cooker. So please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. So this is going to be a special Eid biryani for you guys from Shafnytv. So we are preparing the mutton biryani. So the masala is getting ready, as you can see. To this masala we are going to add water, and we're going to add the meat, and then we're going to cook until the meat is soft and tender. So the masala is almost ready, and I can get that smell coming up of the ginger garlic and the chili powder and the cardamom. As you can see, the masala is well blended and it has become kind of a smooth paste kind of a consistency. And we will be adding the water. The ratio of water is 1 kilo of meat to 1 to 50 ml of water. So we're going to add the water in a while. So we are almost done with making the masala. So we have, as you can see, come forward. As you can see, I have added the water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the fire to the high gas mark, and I'm going to seal it up and let this masala boil for about 5 minutes. And then we are going to, once the masala is boiled, then we are going to add the meat, and then let's cook the meat with that masala. So we are adding in the 10 kilos of mutton into the masala, because the masala is ready. It's infused in the pot. So we're going to add everything, and I'll show you how to mix the masala. So as you can see, the mutton is in the pot, and then we're going to go on a W style and mix all the masala. As you can see, that's how you do it. Simple as that. So just to balance off everything, and for the spices to get balanced and for the meat to get cooked fast, we're going to add some little bit of lime juice into the pot, and then mix it very well. The easy way to mix the masala is just you go on a W, just put a W and then put a circle. So that's a very easy way to mix, so the masala gets blended in with all the spices. The masala is ready, so we are boiling the water, and we put in some salt and some cinnamon cardamom to infuse the water with the spices, and we are going to boil the rice. So the masala is ready. As you can see, the beef is ready, and we're going to boil the water and add the rice, and half cook the rice, and we're going to dump it. So I washed and soaked the rice and kept it aside. So we're going to put it in the pot, and then half cook the rice for about 50%, and then we're going to add it to the pot, and we're going to do the dump process. The water is, as you can see, the water is seasoned, and it has come to the boiling level. So at this stage, we're not going to waste time. So at this stage, we are going to add the basmati rice, which is being soaked. So we are going to add the basmati rice into the pot. So add all the rice. As you can see, it's starting to dance. when the rice is starting to dance, that means it means that the rice is starting to get cooked. So we are going to add all the rice. You don't want to fully cook the rice, just cook it for about 50%. Make sure you just stir it carefully when you are mixing it, because you don't want to break the worst thing that you can do is to break the rice. Let's add in all the let me get all the rice into the pot. So make sure that you season this as well, because or else the biryani is not going to get that perfect taste. So season as much as so. Let me tell you a secret. So what I follow is, for 1 kilogram, when you're making the masala for 1 kilogram of meat, you add 35 grams of salt. But when you're salting the rice, make sure that you add enough salt and taste the water. The water has to be very salty. So if it's very salty, the rice is going to absorb and it's going to get that perfect balance, and your rice is going to be seasoned very well. So that's the tip. Another tip is, if you do not know how to do the salting for masala, just go by 35 grams of 35 grams of salt for 1 kilo, and for 5 kilo, you just a handful of salt for 5 kilo. So that's about salting and seasoning your biryani. With this rice, as you can see, starting to dance. When you're stirring it, make sure you don't stir it too much, because you're going to break the particle of rice. This has to be 50% cooked, not too much. Just stir it very carefully. As you can see here, it's extra long grain rice. As you can see, the rice is starting to dance. As you come forward, as you can see, the rice is starting to dance. So you can see that it's not. Let me show you rice particle. See, it's not fully cooked. It's about 50% cooked. So we're going to put in the masala, and we're going to dump the process. So this is the. So the rice is all layered. So I have little bit rice more left. Let me finish adding that to the. You don't want to go fast, because you don't want to break the rice. So you just not like that. So it's go a line, just very soft and smooth. And mix in all the masala with the rice. Okay. Make sure all the masala is in the rice. So as you can see, we have closed the pot, and it's on the dum process, and the steam is going to build up in the pot, and the meat is going to get tender, and also the rice is going to absorb that flavor from the masala, and it's going to get cooked. So we have sealed it. We kept a wooden piece of wood and a block of a stone, and we have sealed the pot. And we're going to put in the process is we are going to put in about 5 minutes on high heat, and then reduce the flame for about 25 minutes. Then again 5 minutes on high heat, and switch it off for another 30 minutes, and the dum is going to be done. And so let's wait and see how it turns out. Okay, take this over. Take this one. Wait. Adam.